Hello everyone! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a stunning product fashion animation using Canva Pro. If you're ready to take your designs to the next level, stick around because this one's going to be amazing. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Collect your image. First things first, collect a high-quality image from Freepik or any other website you like. Once you've downloaded it, upload the image to Canva. Step 2. Remove the background. Select the image and remove the background to make it look clean and professional. Adjust the size to fit your design perfectly. Step 3. Add your branding. In this animation, I'm promoting the Being Human product, so I'll add the Being Human logo and text. Feel free to position and style it however you like. Remember, this is your chance to get creative. Step 4. Create smooth transitions. Now, duplicate the page to create a seamless transition. On the first page, cover the image to make it look attractive, and don't forget to change the color for a catchy visual effect. Step 5. Add models and create dynamic motion. Next, duplicate the second page and move on to the third page. Bring in a model and adjust the size to create a scaling effect. Duplicate the page again, but this time reduce the size of the model and add another one, scaling it just right. Keep repeating this step to create a smooth and professional transition effect. The key to a pro-looking animation is keeping it dynamic and visually appealing. Practice different styles to develop your own unique touch. Don't just copy mine. Experiment and find your signature look. Final touches. Once you're happy with the animation, preview it to see how professional and eye-catching it looks. Trust me, with enough practice, you'll master this technique and create stunning animations effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful or learned something new, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I've got even more amazing videos coming your way, so stay tuned for the next one. See you soon, and happy designing!